National Human Rights Commission Recruitment for Translators. It's a work from home, it's a job vacancy 2022, it's a job for freshers as well. Even any graduate can apply for these vacancies. Before we get into this notification, I request you all to have a look into the playlist of latest job updates, wherein you have an edge of what are the recent notifications out there till date. So recent notifications I covered Prasar Bharati Recruitment, JNU Recruitment in our playlist. Just go there and click on NIT Meghalaya, RCFL, HVPNL, UPPCL, JIPMER, HPCL Recruitment, NTPC, ESIC, IIT Mandi, University of Hyderabad, IIT Chittoor, ICAR, IIT Jammu. So these are all the recent notifications within the 1 week. So if you just go there to the playlist, you will be notified all these vacancies. That link will be given in the eye icon or at the end of the description. Please do check it. The official link will be given in this description. So this is National Human Rights Commission recruitment for different vacancies for the translators. So this is dated on 11th March 2022. This link of the notification will be given in the description. If you just click there, you will be directed to this particular website and official notification. So empanelment for the translators for the translation works on the National Human Rights Commission on temporary basis. So this is a purely temporary vacancy, and also all graduate persons and retired employees and serving the government are also eligible, because it's a kind of work from home wherein you will be given a software, then you need to do all the things in that particular software. So applications are invited from serving government servants, employees working in any autonomous bodies, or serving as former employees of NHRC or SHRC, like National Human Rights Commission former employees, and other volunteers, either any graduates for preparing for the panel of translations for the translators for different correspondence and reports received in the following language into English. So this is regarding the translation work. The work will be a panel of translators for translation of complaints or correspondence and reports received in the following language into English. So what you need to do is you need to translate from these particular 9 languages which are here. You can translate. You have to translate it to English. So all the candidates who are localites of these particular states, like Gujarati, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bengali, Oriya, Urdu or Kashmiri, Assami. So these are all the number of vacancies for the translators. Different number of vacancies. For Gujarati, 3 vacancies. For Kannada, 2 vacancies. For Tamil, 7. For Telugu, 5. Marathi, 2 vacancies. Bengali, 12 vacancies. Oriya, 10 vacancies. Urdu, 1 vacancy. Assami, 1 vacancy. So 43 vacancies. So this is regarding the number of vacancies in different areas of language. Like if you have a good proficiency in these languages of 9 languages, like Gujarati, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bengali, Oriya, Urdu or Kashmiri or Assamese, then you are entitled a work. You will be selected on the basis of different criteria. So what is the criteria? So in order to apply for this, before that the requirement is that you need to translate. You will get a 350 rupees per 1000 words of typed translation. It's kind of a translation you need to type in the particular software. The empanelment will be initially for the period up to 31st of 2022, that is December 31st 2022, subject to further extension based on satisfactory performance. So the empaneled volunteers shall be paid and 350 rupees per 1000 words of a typed translation. So for 1000 words, the 350 rupees. If you have good experience in translation, then you can go for it. Essential qualification in order to apply for this one: the volunteers should possess a degree in graduation or its equivalent, and also must be recognized by the Government of India. And you need to have a good knowledge of English as well as a language concern. Means out of these 9 languages, you should be proficient in either any of the languages. So only then you will be given the task. So preference will be given to those having experience in translation works, and the volunteers will have to receive complaints through VLT software. So this is the software I was talking about. a VLT software designed for complaint management, and to return the same as per the requirement along with the translated version. So interested candidates may send their applications directly or by the post enclosed format to this particular address: Secretary, National Human Rights Commission, Manav Adhikar Bhavan, C Block, GPO Complex, INA, New Delhi, or send it by email. You can also email NHRCESTT@nic.in on or before 31st of March. So last date is 31st of March. Incomplete applications or applications not in the prescribed form or may be rejected. So the application format will be this way. Take the printout of this application format. You need to fill in all the details like name, date of birth, language for which you are applying, present address. You need to also affix your recent passport photograph here. So this is the application form, application for the empanelment of translators for the translation works in the National Human Rights Commission on temporary basis. So you need to download this particular application form and fill in all your details like address, mobile number, email ID, and your educational qualifications from 10th class, 12th, graduation, post graduation, and separate sheet may also be used if necessary, and experience, if you have any experience in translation work, then it's pretty good. And also name, address, and contact number, and in date and signature of the candidate with name. So this is regarding the vacancy of translators in National Human Rights Commission. So please do check the link given in the description in order to apply for this vacancy. And if you are new to my channel, I request you all to please have a look into the various job update playlist, that is latest job update playlist, so that you will be having an edge of what are the recent notifications till date. The link will be given at the end screen, that is right now, and in the io icon also the playlist is available. Please do look into that latest job update playlist. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.